folks, welcome back. And today I'm going to attempt to make micheladas. And if I pronounce that wrong, I apologize. Michelada is a traditional Mexican beer cocktail. And since we moved to Ecuador, I've become pretty fond of it. I don't drink a whole lot, but I do enjoy it. It's really refreshing. So I'm going to attempt to make it and show everyone how to make it. And if you like it, try to make it yourself at home. So let's get to it. So first thing I'm gonna do is make my drink mix, which calls for 1 cup of tomato juice. Juice of a lime. A teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce because I don't have any Maggi seasoning. Half teaspoon of ají, good old hot sauce. Oops. There we go. A little kick. Let's stir that up. So now I have to prepare the glasses. Couple wedges here. As y'all can tell, I'm no bartender.
Perfecto.
I don't know if it's perfecto, but it's gonna be good enough. Okay. Now, for the final piece, pour the mixture. Top it off with the beer. Don't let any go to waste. Good beer, by the way.
And who is it? El Porto.
El Porto. It's a local brand. Really good. And there you have the micheladas. Squeeze a little bit extra lime juice in those. There we go. Oh my gosh, it's got Thomas playing. It's pretty good.
Do you need to stir it?
Maybe. It is actually really good with the chili lime sauce around the edge. I love it. I ran out of tahini, so I had to use a substitute. It's good.
So let me be the judge. Oh,
Yeah, got a little kick to it.
it does have a kick, and it's really good. I really like the tomato and the lime, so it makes it perfect.